So I'm running in this persons. So here I'm running this query.
That sound is coming.
From Kollur. Hey, Kollur, from your end. So this is the another query, like you can see that there I am matching that gender equal to male. I am projecting this one, and I'm also in this project you can see I'm using two methods like name. I'm creating one custom field name equal to concat name dot first and name dot last. You can see there are names, there are last name is there, right?
No,
So
no,
first
no.
we'll add these
Some
two.
odd sounds are coming.
Hello.
Everybody mute yourself now.
Now you can hear me, right? Okay. So like here I am creating another custom field that is name, and that name I am concatenate with name dot first. Name dot first means name dot first means this value. Then I'm giving space, and name dot last means this one. So this name will return with concatenate with first and last name. Okay. So and birth date I am just converting to date, because if you can see dov.date is showing like that way. So I'm just changing into the date format. Okay. And here I'm using shorting, skipping 10 and limit 10. Okay. You can see that name is first name and last name. It is already concatenate. Then it's converting the birth date to the ISO date like that one. Everyone got it? Hey, unmute and say yes or some no or something.
Yes, yes.
Yes, understood that concatenate function.
Yeah.
First name and last.
Next is bucket. So what is bucket? So in this bucket, means you already know what is the normal meaning of bucket. Same meaning is here also. In a bucket, I'm showing like this is the syntax like dollar bucket. I'm creating one bucket which I'm also I'm grouping by age only. That boundaries is 18, which are holding some persons are holding 18, 30, 40, 50, 60, 120 ages. And output should be number of persons. How many persons are holding these types of ages? This is a boundary. And averages. What is the averages? I'm calculating AVG method. So this AVG method is calculating the average. Got it or not? Okay, let me show the result first.
Yeah.
Again, I'm saying like some user is holding 18 age. Okay.
Yes.
Some user is holding here is person. Some persons are holding 38. Some users are 40. So I am creating the boundaries. So you can see this is the ID that persons are holding 18 age. So which user or which persons are holding 18 age? This is the number of age, sum of age, all the persons, and this is the average of it. Same. Got it? This is the
num person means, please say once again, that num person means?
Number of persons. You can see output I am showing. This
Okay.
Number of persons, sum. Sum is like
the total number.
Okay?
Total number of persons who are holding 18
age. Like 10 persons holding 18 age. That means 80 into 10 means means 180. And this is the average.
Yes.
Okay, 180 by 10 means it should be like 18 or something. Like that. Got it? Next.
Yes.
Oh, I told one wrong thing. Number of persons, then how many persons are holding 18 age?
Yeah,
because
that's what
equal to 1. Yeah.
Means here 683 persons are holding 18
age. Yeah, good. So this is the thing. Okay. Now another method is auto bucket. Here I am mentioning the boundaries. If I am not mentioning, like I am group buying with dov.h buckets, maximum buckets I am giving like 5. So it's automatically create maximum 5 buckets. then those are same. And oh sorry, now I am running. So you can see this is they are creating one bucket. They are holding minimum 21, maximum 32 age. Means which are holding age 21 to 32. So 83 people are holding
Yes.
it, and this is the average. Here also 32 and 43 means which are holding age minimum is 32 and maximum is 43. So 32 to 43.
43.
Got it?
Yeah,
Everyone.
here you have given buckets 5. No, result I have understood.
Maximum 5 means it's creating maximum 5 buckets. See, only 5 result is given.
Okay, only 5 results would be given.
Means what the records they are already calculating and it's dividing with the 5. So that's why they are giving like 21 to 32, 32, 43 like that way. They are already calculating by automatically. Previously, we just mentioned like these are the boundaries. I need to give only those results. But here I'm not mentioning any. I just give I need maximum 5 buckets. I don't need more than 5. So I'm giving like buckets 5 and they are calculating automatically and they are giving. But there are all the records are there within 5 buckets. Got it? So up to this, yeah. So up to this, MongoDB session is completed. Like aggregation, all those stuffs are done. I know later you will get some more real life scenarios you will face. Then obviously you will learn. Obviously, when I will give the project, so then some new things will come to your end, and you need to do it by your own. And obviously, I will be there. Okay. So MongoDB is there like as a developer, it's enough for as a beginner. Obviously, when you will pro, when your experience is getting high, then you will become pro. So it is not possible within 2 days you will become a pro. So as per
That's
stage, as per learning, it's enough to you. So you can start do your progress. When you will need anything, I am always there. Everyone is learning every time. I am also learning. What I learned, I already shared. Still something is left. Maybe when you face some real time, then because some things I can't show you, right? So that is the thing. So any questions, any doubt for today or previous class? Because from next class I will start notes.
Not from previous class, from today's class I have to go through all these topics or
yes,
and,
first of all I have to
Yes,
see that again.
then I'm sure that I will be having few doubts, then after that I can ask, but let me go through this once first by your recordings.
So what I am doing on next class, first 10 or 15 minutes I am keeping for
doubt clearing.
Yes.
Then I will start, okay? And you will get 1 week, the whole week. So you need to learn and you need to complete your assignment. Maybe today or tomorrow I will submit, I will provide the assignment. You need to complete the assignment, okay? And when you are completing, obviously a question will arise. But don't copy paste from Google. You can try it. You can try it from Google, but make it understand though. If you understand, okay, this thing is happening, then you can copy and paste. But without any understanding of things, don't do any copy paste. Because obviously next class I will tell all the answers and I will explain. Okay, but avoid the Google for now because you are learning. But you can change the MongoDB documents. Okay, that documents is too good, and you will get some more operators. Those are not showing like yet. Okay, you can do
by
everything.
The way, my MongoDB is now connected. Now, if you want me to show the queries that I run for the assignments, I can show you.
Not needed now. I already told, like previous assignment was like normal one. So next assignment will be like for everything you will get from the next assignment. So I am preparing, it will take time. I didn't prepare it. Okay. So bye bye then. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Bye.